YouTube. I'm EJ.
And I'm Kalin. And welcome to EXK for Life. Guys, fall is coming. That means Christmas is coming.
You still believe in Santa?
Yeah. So we're gonna go apple picking. And what are we gonna do after?
We're gonna make an apple pie.
Apple pie.
Pecan pie.
Guys, we're gonna come back and make an apple pie with our pie. Hopefully we don't bug it up.
Nah, we will.
So come along with us for the ride. Never catch me driving. I'm a passenger princess.
Robin, let's take my car. Let's take my car.
Okay, even if we took my car, you were gonna drive. So we're heading to the Orleans fruit farm.
Yes, yes, yes.
All right. We made it.
Oh,
guys, and it's so beautiful.
Let's say it. Right in our backyard. Well, front yard.
It was literally like 10 minutes away. Not even. We got a bag.
Yes, sir. You pick apple.
Where do you want to start?
The back. Where no one's at.
You're right.
Oh. Got them both. Fat ones, innit? Oh, tree looks messed up.
What do you guys think are these? Comment down below what you think those are. I think they're tomatoes. It's
This is
so
a
pretty.
wild tree. This is a dead tree.
Oh my phone. Oh!
Told
Those wasps.
The fattest wasp I've ever seen in my life.
You know, it's fine because if I went through with that, I would have probably broke my neck.
Exactly. You crazy shit.
Oh, my bicep.
What?
That hurt though, low-key. Where's my apple to eat? I think it's overcooked.
Like in the hot or like overready?
So literally everybody's eating. So there's some with orange tags. We're gonna go see what's up. This one looks untouched.
Damn.
Okay. Let me try.
It's different. It's kind of like wants to be a green apple.
Give me a couple of these ones, innit? Well, also, you have to try it before picking it, anyway.
Yeah, there was one of them. Nah, nice.
Yeah, this is like a wannabe green apple.
Felipe Lobos. Oh, you good?
There should not be apples on the floor because I'm gonna break my ankle. Spartan apples. These are the Spartan apples. Can I go pick?
What?
Let me get it.
Hey, Michael Jordan.
Damn. Can't even hold the bag anymore. He has to hold it like this. Like a little baby. Are you satisfied?
Yeah. Are you?
Extremely. Now let's go bake a pie.
Yeah, I fucking fell.
No way.
Yeah.
We also got apple cider. It tasted so good. They gave us a little sample, so I got a bottle.
That's how they get you.
And we got... Oh, you didn't say that's how they get you with the donuts, innit?
No.
No, how come?
Cause
Cheers. Looks like we've never even had donuts before. Look how
Used to be
perfect.
honest.
Ow.
Oh, you want HD?
No. Catfish in a jiffy. We are back home. And we're gonna bake an apple pie. Guys, these are all the apples that we got. Alright guys, now we're just making the dough. It's almost done. Hard at work.
It's not my place.
Working that dough. Damn! Slap it.
Slice. Oh no, now you're struggling at the camera's on.
No, no. I go like this.
Wow.
Tell me that's not too much sugar.
No, it's not, bro. It's not enough. You didn't even fill it up to the rim. Fill it up to the rim.
No.
Vas-y. Yeah, better. That's all we do. Just mix it.
Now we mix. Guys, our pie is so good. This is the before.
Moment of truth.
Oh my god.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Pie. Yes, yes, yes.
Oh no, the bottom didn't come off.
No way.
Yeah. Oh, that one's perfect.
Thanks.
Ooh, steaming.
Cheers.
Oh. One.
Comment, subscribe, love, peace.